Okay, in this video we are going to show you how you can learn to write your own subroutine in a day. Um, First of all, FeAssist.com is a website with an experts that can help you to write your own subroutine, help you to learn your subroutine, and you can be expert in a shortest possible time to write your subroutines, to change it, and to make your own change in your subroutine. In our work, there are many engineering usual problems. Any engineering usual problems in the past are included, the rules are included in Abacus software, which is very powerful software that can solve many engineering problems, usual problems. And you can use this software, this Abacus software, to analyze your results, to solve your problems and get your results and analysis. But in academic and industrial projects, there are many new problems and new rules. These new problems and new rules are not included in Abacus itself. So Abacus is not enough to solve these problems. Instead, we need a new tool to link with Abacus to solve our new problems. Abacus subroutines are very powerful tools that can be linked with Abacus to solve our problems, and you can use it to get your simulation results and analysis. But how to learn to write a subroutine? If you will be able to write a new subroutine, you are a very powerful expert that you can solve any problem in any engineering and academic problem. In order to learn to write a subroutine, subroutine training, there are two methods. First of all is conventional methods. In conventional methods, you start to learn all aspects of subroutine writing. For example, you need to learn Fortran programming language. Then you need to learn Abacus modeling. Then you need to learn how they interact with each other, how state variables works. And in our opinion, it can take between 6 months to 2 years to learn to write a simple subroutine, not a very complex subroutine. But there is another method, which is Fba Assist Method, that in this method we know for your specific problem which aspect you need to learn and which aspect you don't. There are many aspects, from fluid dynamics to solid mechanics to soil dynamics to many aspects in Abacus and subroutines. But based on your actually a specific problem, we can track which aspect you need to learn and which you don't need to learn. So we can shorten the time of learning. And we can teach you to learn your own subroutine in a day. And you need, of course, when you learn it in a day with some videos of our websites, you need to practice for a month. You learn everything in a day with some videos, but you need to practice in a month. But after a month, you are a very expert man or an expert lady in your own problem. Yes. In Fba Assist methods of learning Abacus subroutines, first you need to learn Abacus modeling. We assume that you are zero in Abacus and subroutine. You don't know anything from Abacus, you don't know anything from subroutines. We assume that you don't know anything. So first you need to learn Abacus modeling. For your specific problems, it could be between 1 or 2 hours training video. we will capture a 1 or 2 hours training video to teach you how you can model your problem in Abacus without subroutine, how you can model it. It doesn't need actually to know any aspect of Abacus. With your specific problems, just only you need some specific things in your problem. After that, you need to know somehow Fortran programming language, but again, in your specific problem, it needs between 1 to 2 hours training video from fbaassist.com. We will teach you only aspect that you are needed, so you can learn Abacus programming, you can learn Fortran programming language for your specific problem in an hour or 2 hours. After that, you need to use Abacus modeling and Fortran programming to write your subroutine. It is the main challenged thing in your problem. We will teach you in a video between 2 or 3 hour training video to teach you how to write your own subroutine for your specific problem. Again, we insist that again you don't need to learn any aspect, so it can shorten your time. After that, you need to run the model in Abacus and post-processing and analyzing your results. And it will be about 1 hour training video to teach you how you can get your results from a model in Abacus. And after that, you need to practice by changing variables. When you learn how Abacus is modeled, how Fortran programming works, how you have written the subroutine, you need to change the variables and see the results. You know anything. Just you need to practice for a maximum for a month, then you will be an expert in your problem. In order to order your project, please go to our website fbaassist.com and send us an email. We will contact you as soon as possible, and we will help you to write your own subroutine in a shortest possible time. Good luck. fbaassist.com